Hello guys, so welcome again. In this video we will do line plot with Dropdown. Again we are using ipywidgets, matplotlib and numpy to create a data. First let me run. Here we have a Dropdown, scene cost. If I click scene and cost change here, I have a cost function. And if I change scene, I'm seeing the sinus chart. Okay, how to do that? First we are creating X. Here we are by using linspace method of numpy, and we are creating the numbers like an array includes numbers from 0 to 10, and we have 100 numbers here, and we are creating drop down widgets here. Options will be scene cost. Here we are seeing two options. You can increase these options later. Description is function. Here we are seeing function. After that, as always, we are creating output widgets. Line plot output equals widgets output, and we are defining a function here. Later we'll look at that. Drop down observe, update line plot. Here the function's name value. So what's going on here? Whenever the value of drop down here change, this line, this observer run update line plot function again. Okay, well, what's going on here? Function, we are defining a function variable here. It will equals numpy scene if change new scene. What's going on change new here? We are change, but why we use this one? Because we use observe, and what we observe drop down. So whenever I change the drop down, for example now cost, so the new value of drop down is cost. So here change new is also cost, and here we have a condition. If change new is scene, it will be numpy scene function. Else, if not, it means that if change new is cost as now, it will be numpy cost. So we define function here. We have two different functions. The first one, the numpy scene. Second one, numpy cost. And we are choosing those functions here. Okay, when we defined, we can start to create a plot, line plot output, created here output widgets, and again we clear the output, because if we don't do that, whenever we change this one, new plots will be created downside. After that, we are defining the figure size here, and we are creating plots by using plot function. X, here the x values from 0 to 10, and y values. To calculate the y values, we are using the function. Here we defined function, so it can be numpy scene or numpy cost, and inside that function we are using x, these values. Okay, here we are defining the y values. After that, x label is x, y label is y, and title change new upper the function. Here change new is the scene. For example, now it is cost. When I change scene here, as you can see, it's scene, and by using upper function, it will be upper. So if I don't use that upper run, because it's lower case, and I will add function here like cost. This part is a cost function, and when I change the scene, it will be scene function. So our title is also interactive. And plt show, here to display the chart, we are using show function. Here we explain, and we are using a vertical box again, drop down to display, and line plot output we will display. those two things. Okay, guys, I hope you like these projects too. This one was the last projects in this course. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot in my course. If you like my teaching way, you can look at other Python courses. I have many different Python courses, and I will keep producing new courses. Especially, I will focus on AI, machine learning, and deep learning. And if you want to enroll in my other courses, you can send me a message, and I can give you like discount the link. Okay, see you in the other courses. Bye bye.